So this is my web page. Here I will add a navigation menu in header section. So this is the header section. So here I will add navigation menu. So to add navigation menu, we have to go to the body section here, and um, inside the header, as you can see, we have only H1. So we will add here a nav menu. We have to just use a tag called nav, and here we will use a unsorted list, unordered list, and then we will use list. List. And here, let's say I want to give it home menu, and I will add another menu, that is all products. We use it as products, and let's say I will add um, search option. So I will add, let's say, list, and here I will add a form, and inside form I will say, okay, I have to close it also, and inside form I will say I want to add input, and type should be text, where I will search something, and let's name it text, and let's give, okay, let me just put double quotation here, and then we will add, let's say, what can I say, a placeholder. We will say search here, right? Okay. So now if I go to the browser and if I refresh it, and we can see we have home, all products, and search, but we have to do some CSS for it. As you can see, we have a list item here, and that's why we have to go to the header option, header CSS, and inside, and here I have to write here header, and we will work in nav. So header nav, and header nav, so the list item, right? So these are the list. So we will say list type here. So list style type should be none. If I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see, okay. So I have to mention here that we are using UL and LI. So this now is, it will none. What is happening here? None. So let me just remove it. Let's say it is working or not. Not, it's not working. Now it will work. See? So here, if you want to show it side by side, so we'll use here header, header, nav, then UL, and should be display as flex, and justify content should be center. And if I go to the browser and refresh it, and as you can see, they are now in side by side. So this is how you can add menu. So now let's say we want to, when we hover on it, it will change the color over, and here I will say background color should be changed. Now if I refresh it, then you can see, I think not only hover, I think this should be should I think I should change the color here also, and when it will hover, then it will change the color from different color. So let's just change the color here. It will show like this, or maybe this. Yes. So just copy it and paste it here. Okay, sorry, in over, paste it. Okay. Now go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see we have a nav. Well, uh, li. Oh, okay. Now if I refresh it, now you can see it's changing the color. So if you want to show this nav outside of header, I mean this heading tag, you can do it. You have to just uh, remove this product from here. You just have to write it outside, and let's say here we have header h1. Okay. So if I refresh it, you can see, uh, 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 you can see, and we want to remove the padding here to 0 pixel and margin also 0 pixel. 0 pix. Okay. Now if we refresh it, then you can see uh, now we have this nice nav menu, right? So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.